Welcome. Today is May 28th, 2022, and I've pulled a card from the Animal Oracle deck by Colette Baron Reed, and it's card number 20, Dolphin Spirit. It is in protection mode today, and when in protection mode, it asks us when you most want to be acknowledged for as right and see others' ways as wrong. Dolphin Spirit appears to remind you that the story you are suffering and righteously is a little more complicated than you are admitting right now. So, do you want to see things in black and white only and be rigid to your ideas of what's correct and what is not? Release that rigidity and embrace the fluidity of life as you recognize the grays that remind you that there are two sides to every story. What you think is wrong may end up being right for you. So let Dolphin Spirit soften your heart so that you may make the right decisions at this time. If you enjoyed this reading, join me every day.